Alif,
Not alif, okay? Hamza.
Hamza Zabar,
Not
A.
alone, not alone. Hamza needs to carry this second one along with him. Because the second one is sakin. Do you remember the sign of sakin? A tiny kind of dal.
D.
So this is sakin. And a sakin
Sakin.
word is dependent on the word that carries haraka before it. Sakin cannot stand alone. He cannot stand on his own. So he needs someone who can carry him. So he relies on the harakat before it. So Hamza ya zabar ay.
Hamza Ya Zabar A.
Yes, like we did in Huruf Leen chapter. Hamza was aw.
Harufin.
Yes, Hamza ya zabar ay. Do you remember?
G.
So this is Harf Leen. Hamza ya zabar ay.
Hamza Ya Zabar A.
Then
Um, Noon Zabar Na.
Noon zabarna.
Noon Zabar Na.
Aina
Aina.
waqfan ain.
Wakufan Ain.
Now look. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
آمن
آمن
وقفا
وكفا
آمن
آمن
آوى
آوى
وقفا
وكفا
آوى
آوى
آنية
آنية
وقفا
وكفا
آنية
آنية
إيلاف
إيلاف
وقفا
وكفا
إيلاف
إيلاف.
أين
أين
وقفا
وكفا
أين.
أين.
Okay, so this is for today, and
Okay.
inshallah you will be learning and gaining the more control over whatever you have learned through this chapter. So this chapter is really beneficial and helping. Okay, so now we need to do something different. Subhanallah.